I'm SolarWinds Evangelist Crystal Taylor. New to SolarWinds Observability 2025.1, we have updated cloud support. I'm sure you're not surprised to know that we're still continuing to add entities. And in this case, we've got some exciting news on the Google Cloud Provider front. You can now add your Google compute engines as well as a few other things, but let's start with Google. So you can see here our cloud summary dashboard. We've got a few entities of AWS, Azure, which we've already had, and now GCP. So we'll just go to our GCP dashboard to drill down a little bit into what you can expect to see. So we have our overview here. It's going to have what we've got, our statuses, and then we can drill down into the compute to see what we've got. So we have our information here as to how they're doing, how many VMs we have, and then we can drill down even further in these other windows. So if we wanted to go further into information for, say, this GCP CentOS 01 that's critical, we can just dive right in. Additional to that, we've added some new entities for Azure and Amazon. For Azure, we've added support for Azure App Service as well as Azure Blob Storage. We've got some storage here on the online demo that you can check out. We've now got a blob storage information here. We can drill down into those as well and get further information as well as some tracking on how it's doing. We've also added further support for AWS devices, including Amazon RDS for MySQL, Amazon RDS for Aurora MySQL, Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL, Amazon RDS for Aurora PostgreSQL, and Amazon RDS for Oracle. We've also added support for AWS load balancers. So if you've been waiting on any of those, upgrade to 2025.1 to get additional support. We can do a quick drill down here into, we've got our RDS entities here in database. We can see the information there if we decide to drill down. So this is a MySQL entity that we can drill down into. So if you've been looking for any additional cloud support, consider upgrading to 2025.1 to receive this additional support for your cloud devices.